Shorthand English Speed Beginner at 40 words per minute. Dictation is given to you by R. Rajagopalan. The best method to practice is watch this video 2 or 3 times, then cover the English portion of the page and then read the shorthand matter 6 times, then copy from shorthand to shorthand in your practice notebook 6 times and then write the audio dictation 6 times. This method of practice will definitely help you to improve your performance. Shall I start the speed now?
Get ready for the first litho, May 1987. Code number 300. Start. Education is not for mere yearning to live. It is for gaining knowledge, self-respect and freedom. It makes us to live with love towards all and have no hatred towards anyone. It creates a sense of unity. No one should think of harming others. Everyone must be made to lead a disciplined and honest life. One cannot be considered to be educated at all, even if he is highly qualified. If he refuses to suit himself to the world, an educated person is one who wishes the entire world to enjoy all the things he enjoys. He who does not compare with others and take the good for his own development is merely one amongst the dead. We must teach the children to live with equality. We must teach them to be kind towards all. We must teach them about the universal brotherhood. We must teach them to be patriotic. They must be trained to possess all good qualities. They must be trained to lead a disciplined and honest life. They must be trained to lead a noble life and to contribute to build a strong nation. They must be trained to be useful citizens of this country. Stop.